Hello everyone, this is Fakaru. This is our fourth lecture for the course Online Teaching Matters. If you remember, in our previous three lectures, we've tried to cover several issues including the history of online learning, traditional and online learning. We've seen the similarities and differences between the two. We've seen learning management system in general. That was the topic of our previous lesson, and we have tried to see one of the well-known, the most known learning management system, which is called Moodle, and it was from there that we are going to continue today. So let's continue with where we stopped last time, that is learning management system. Let's begin with the core features. Core features of Moodle. These are some of the features which we have seen last time, if you remember, like this: personalized, collaborative, calendars, convenient file management, simple to use, have notifications, and track progress. And let's continue with the other important feature that Moodle or Learning Management System provide us. That's called its standard nature and interoperability. Standard or interoperability means the courses which are designed in learning management system in Moodle has high standard and international standard. Why standard is important? Because the asset or the content which has been designed by professors is their asset or the university's asset. That asset should be interchangeable, which means, for example, you will design one course here at Paradigm University portal, and that course is the property of the university. At the same time, it is copyrighted by the instructor, the professor. So because of this, the teacher has the means to save the entire course in a compatible package. Those packages are possible because of its standard nature of Moodle. And the good thing is, you can take your course and install it somewhere, as long as you have the permission to do so. Just like a book, you can publish your book. Similarly, you can publish your online courses on LMS. But it's not only publishing. Those published courses can be saved in package, and you can save it forever with you, or you can sell it if you like. And this is one of the advantage of standard. Interoperability means you can design one course with one technology and it is compatible with other technology. For example, the very known video editing tool is called Adobe Photoshop, or Adobe Cloud, or Adobe Captivate. These are the tools which helps you to design your online courses. When you design your online video course, you edit your video, there is no problem to import your video directly to Learning Management System, to Moodle, because they are compatible. They are standard. Moodle is compliant to the following international standards. It's not only local, but internationally acceptable standards, such as the Open Source Initiative. We have the IMS certified, it's SCORM ADL compliant, and it's also used with Open Badge. When you say badge, one of the features of online learning, or the feature of Moodle, is students are encouraged on every lesson when they complete one segment. So as soon as they completed one segment, they will be rewarded with some form of badge. And this badge is international. Students can retrieve their badges and they can share it online on their social medias, or they can save it at home, or the other company which you are going to tell them that you have the badge can directly go to the website, which is called the Open Badge website, and you can retrieve your information and you can know that you are certified or you have that badge. So this is pretty cool stuff, and they are all embedded with Moodle. The other one is what is the educational philosophy of Moodle? Does it follow any kind of educational philosophy? Of course, yes. Moodle, as it is stated on its company website, Moodle is designed and developed by the guidance of social constructionist pedagogy. So they have explicated two things. Moodle is personal activity, Moodle is individualistic activity. At the same time, Moodle involves social activity or collaborative activity. So when they say social constructionist pedagogy, it is the combination of the element, the individualistic element, and the social element or the collaborative element of learning. To understand the social constructionist pedagogy, you need to understand the philosophy of social constructivism. Social constructivism extends constructivism into social settings, wherein groups construct knowledge for one another collaboratively by creating a small culture of shared artifacts with shared meaning. For example, you can have a cup, and a cup can be used for many things, but its shape does suggest some knowledge about carrying liquid. Means if you are asked about the purpose of cup, anyone simply understand that cup is something which we use to drink something. But in terms of the nature of cups, there are thousands kinds of cups. So people will learn different relativity or different contexts when they learn in social. So that's one element of social constructivism. The other one is constructionism. Constructionism asserts that learning is particularly effective when constructing something for others to experience. So the duty of the teacher is to make other people to do something and learn by doing. For example, if you produce a slideshow, if you are the teacher and if you are doing slideshow or PowerPoint, so when you do the PowerPoint, you will get the opportunity to learn. You'll get the opportunity to explore and to understand more. So that is what it means by, excuse me, let me bring it back. Okay. So if you are doing the slideshow, for example, you will learn more about what you are going to teach. So some people, when they study, they say, no, I will understand more when I help somebody. I help my friends to understand. When I explain it for my students, my friends, then I will understand more. This kind of philosophy is called constructionism. People learn more when they do something. And Moodle has bring these two philosophies and merged it together and come up with a unified philosophy of social constructionist pedagogy. Students are given freedom to learn by themselves. The teacher is simply a facilitator. He provides them with several activities, several resources, and students are required to do their jobs by exploring their own environment. At the same time, Moodle also provides them with different packages of social activities, like it gives them workshops, it gives them Wikipedia development, it gives them databases, and so on and so forth. There are plenty of activities which help them develop their social skills, and that's what it looks like the educational philosophy of Moodle. But if you like to dig more, you can go to their website and find the documentations in their philosophy. Let's see the online teaching methodology. Now we are coming to our major topic. So the online teaching methodology is a broad concept that includes a system of developing very attractive and standard digital contents. Not only developing, but also presenting these contents to the learning management system portal and supporting students so that they will develop the intended knowledge and skills as well as attitude. So online teaching methodology is everything starting from instructional design, goes through uploading to the learning management system and helping students to understand the concept. This is entirely included under the title of online learning methodology. So when you complete the course, you'll have all these elements. Learning management systems are designed according to acceptable pedagogical principles and known e-learning industry standards. I've already discussed some of the pedagogical principles already. And some of these features are embedded in the form of drivers or plugins such as SCORM, IMS Content Package, and most recently H5P. These are the tools which help us to do a very wonderful courses. For example, H5P is a tool which is recently developed in order to help course creators to create very beautiful courses. For example, I'm designing this course, I'm recording this course using one of the technologies, and you can use one of the technologies you are available with. Let me show you what I am using right now to record this course. It's called Screen-O-Matics. Yep, Screen-O-Matics. So this is Screen-O-Matics. You have to go to this website and you have to create your account. I have my own account. And after you do that, just go to and start recording for free. If you would like to try, you can just record it for free, but you don't get every feature. If you pay, you will have every feature. If you don't pay, you get at least the basic feature. So you can just play and start recording. Because I'm already recording, I'm not gonna start it because it messes up my recording right now. So H5P is also a technology which helps us to design courses if you like, but they charge you some money, and we can see H5P. Oh, no, that's not the case. Sure, I'm sorry. Yeah, here you go. This is a company, so H5P. You can create, share, and reuse interactive HTML5 content in your browser. So this is very, very pretty cool. Same thing, they charge you something, but if you like to try it for free, you can try it for free. So once you do, you're recording your lectures here, then you can go and upload to the Moodle. What I'm gonna tell you right here is, because Moodle is standard, whether you design your courses with H5P or with Adobe Captivate, you can simply go and upload it to the Moodle. So that's what it means by the convenience of Moodle and how a person who would like to learn online teaching methodology should have to understand all these elements. If a course creator or the professor is not familiar with these kinds of technologies and concepts, it will be very difficult for him to design courses. The good thing is, many universities in formal contexts have their own technical team, where they have plenty of digital video editors and external designers, LMS administrators. So if you are not techie, you will get a huge help from that team. But it would be really best if you learn these things by yourselves. You will be more independent if you have these skills. You can create your courses by yourself at home and send them in the form of packages, either in H5P or SCORM or in any way. But if you don't understand all these concepts, probably need to depend many times on the support team or on the technical team for installation or for uploading of your final documents. But in any way, this is what it means by teaching methodology.